In this video, we'll look at how to use Writable's AI detection feature to evaluate student writing. AI detection reports are powered by CopyLeaks and help teachers assess whether a student may have used generative AI in their writing. To see the AI detection alerts and reports, open an assignment and choose a class to open the dashboard. On the Overview table, scroll down and locate the column titled AI Detection. Reports will only be generated for writing that is suspected to have AI text. A green icon indicates that no AI use is suspected, and no report is available. A blue icon can be clicked to open the AI report. In the report, you will see the student's writing. Any text that is suspected to be AI generated is highlighted. Phrases that are more common in artificially generated text will show in a darker color. Click on a phrase to see more detail about the phrase and its commonality in human versus machine-generated writing. Click Done to exit the report view. Please note that the AI detection report is one in a suite of tools in Writable to help you determine if student writing is authentic. We suggest reviewing the authorship alerts, similarity scores, draft history, and your own knowledge of student ability in making a determination regarding writing authenticity.